Hi, this is Eric from LD Products, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace an LD brand compatible HP 48A toner cartridge in your HP LaserJet M15w printer. LD brand compatible cartridges are a great low-cost alternative to the original HP brand. Installing an LD brand compatible cartridge is identical to installing the original HP. Let's jump right into the installation process. Okay, so we've got our LD brand compatible HP 48A toner cartridge here. The installation process for this cartridge is going to be identical to installing an original cartridge. Why? LD brand compatible cartridges are designed to fit and function just like the original brand. Let's demonstrate. So first we'll remove the original cartridge we just installed. Slide it right out. We'll grab the compatible cartridge and slide that into the machine. Close up the front cover, and we're good to go. So the LD brand compatible fits just like the original cartridge and prints the same number of high quality pages. We hope you found this installation video informative. If you're looking to save money on toner, consider purchasing LD brand compatible HP 48A toner cartridges. They print the same number of pages as the HP brand and are backed by an industry best lifetime guarantee. Click the link in the description below for more information about our compatible cartridges, and thank you for watching. Be sure to check out our other videos for the HP 48A toner cartridge. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and be sure to subscribe. Shop with LD Products for all your ink and office supply needs. We are your ink and toner experts.